Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and students. Welcome to my channel, The Literary Gallery. And the lecture is about giving you some hints and tips regarding speaking, and the topic is making and responding to suggestions. So, to give suggestions is very common in everyday speaking, and this lecture is not only for the students who want to improve their speaking skills, but this is also very important for those who want to improve their language skills by texting as well, or by sending messages to their friends or relatives and any person. So, we have some sentences to talk about while making some suggestions. Then we'll discuss how we can accept the suggestions, and if we wish to refuse the suggestion, what are the sentences and phrases that we can use in these situations. So, first of all, let's talk about making suggestions. So, making suggestions in Urdu mean मशवरा देना, कोई चीज़ suggest करना, idea देना. So there are different ways that we can give suggestions. We can write suggestions while texting, or we can speak. For example, the use of let's revise our lessons. This is one way. What about going to the cinema tonight? How about playing cards? Why don't we do our homework? Couldn't we invite your grandmother to our party? Shall we have a walk along the river? What would you say to cup of coffee? Don't you think it is a good idea to watch TV? Does it matter if we use your car? So these are some various and unique type of expressions that we can learn while making some suggestions. So if you want to accept the suggestions, so there are different ways. So the most common way is that okay, yes, let's do it. There are some other ways. For example, yes, I'd like to. I'd mean I would की short form है ये. Yes, I'd love to. Okay, what a good idea. Why not? Yes, with pleasure. Yes, I feel like taking a walk. That sound like a good idea. No, if somebody wish to refuse the suggestion, he or she is not ready to accept the suggestion at that time. So there are some various and different expressions. No, let's not. No, I'd rather not. I don't feel like it. I dislike going for a walk. What an awful idea. What an awful idea, or what a bad idea. So there are some different expressions to refuse any suggestions. So as a result, we see that there are some common ways, yes and no, but students can use these expressions not only to give a variety to their language, but in this way they will feel more confident while using and following these expressions. So consequently, their confidence of language also increases. So I hope you might have understood it. Thank you very much. Keep watching my channel, like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.